Hey everyone, Matt Pisarcik from RazorEmporium.com coming at you today for a quick product spotlight looking at the brand new pre-shave from Razor Emporium with menthol. Well, our pre-shave has been on the market for a few years now and has been taking the wet shaving world by storm. At least I like to think so. We do sell a ton of it every week, and I've been a big fan, not just saying it and shilling it. I've actually been using it on set. I have it at home. I take it with me when I go camping or go traveling. I love this stuff. It's not just a great pre-shave for shaving, it actually makes a great face soap too. In fact, that's the origins of the product. Our soap maker, DJ, Mrs. Dondra Joan, actually developed this as a facial product for her daughter who had some blemishes and skin issues, and it has activated carbon in it. It's super basic, super natural ingredients, and everyone who uses it says it adds a great performance, enhancement to their shave. It's great as a facial bar or in the shower as a face wash. And if you are building a lather and maybe your lather is just lacking that little extra glide, that little extra cushion, if it's lacking that thing, this could be the thing for that thing. This could be that little extra ingredient that you need to really amplify, magnify, exemplify your lather and really take it to the next level. So we've had the classic product on the market now for many, I think it's almost 2 years now, maybe almost 2.5 years. It's been doing great. And this does have a fragrance to it. This has kind of an alternative barbershop. In fact, people love the scent of this kind of just generic kind of masculine scent so well that we actually launched it as a separate scent called Heritage for the full-size shaving soap. But we have also heard from our customers and wanted to kind of have some other things. If you don't want it to interfere with your favorite shaving soap and you want to just use it discreetly underneath another product and you don't want the two scents to clash, we've had the unscented version for a long time. So it's the exact same formula, just minus the fragrance, same performance. And now for those people who want to kind of do the opposite, they want to dive in and add menthol to whatever they're doing. They want that cooling effect. They have a favorite shaving cream, favorite shaving soap, but it doesn't have that menthol. It's hot. They want that cooling effect. So we now offer it with menthol. Hence the leaves, kind of enticing you with kind of a spearminty, mentholy kind of cooling wintergreen kind of effect there, right? So, and again, this was popular demand. People asked for this. Says, I really want to just take it to the next level. I love menthol. Why can't my pre-shave also be mentholated? We have it. We listened. We're delivering for you, our valued customer. I will have to give this a try. We literally just put the label on yesterday. These just came off the press. I'm going to have to retire this old one that's been in here and use a mentholated one next, because I do personally love menthol. And at the time of this filming, it is June in Phoenix and it is hot, and I would love anything to kind of help bring the temperature down and add some cooling effect. That's all I got. If you haven't already tried one of these pre-shave bars, give it a shot. For $8, it just very well may be the thing that changes up your entire shave. That's all I got. If you've used a pre-shave, tell me below in the comments. We want to hear from you guys. And thank you so much for tuning into Razor Emporium for all things vintage shaving. Thanks, guys.